What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Tiege Hanley's new acne cream line. Now, I've done a review on their product line in the past. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click that I button in the top right corner so that you guys can see the video, just in case you guys missed it. This system, it's only going to be one product that's actually new and one product that I'm actually going to be paying attention to in this video. Products that I'm going to be using prior to the acne cream is going to be their daily wash and their exfoliating scrub. If you haven't seen my review on these products, make sure you guys go and check out my previous video on Tiege Hanley. Really love these products, especially the exfoliating scrub. If you have more coarse hair like me, it's very hard to get a close shave, but I feel like the exfoliating scrub really helps lift up the hairs and helps your razor get really close to the skin. After I wash off everything, the face wash and the scrub, I will pat dry, and after I pat dry, then I will go in and I will use the aftershave. I bet you guys thought I was going to see the acne cream. Before I get to the acne cream, I like to put on an aftershave. This is very, very important if you want to prevent razor bumps or razor burn and just overall irritation from shaving. So make sure that you guys apply aftershave after you shave. This is just for the guys who shave, but if you don't shave, of course, you can skip this step. So after all that, I'm going to be applying the acne cream. Now, like I said, this has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a BHA or beta hydroxy acid. Now, what that means is that is a chemical exfoliator. So what it does is that it will prevent future breakouts, or if you are suffering from a breakout, it will just speed up that process. To get the proper amount, you want to apply about 3 pumps, and you want to put that all around your face. Now, I really want to caution this. Please do not put this around your eyes. Salicylic acid, if you put it around your eyes for a long period of time, it might not happen the first time that you apply salicylic acid, but please make sure to avoid your eyes. I remember using a moisturizer. It was from Clean and Clear that had 2% salicylic acid, and I started using that when I was like 13 years old. I just put it on like any other moisturizer, you know, around my eyes, not paying close attention to the warning labels. This warning label will even tell you to avoid your eyes. And I was about 20 years old, so I was using the Clean and Clear moisturizer for a good 7 years, you know, around my eyes. Didn't see any reaction to it until one day I woke up with irritated and puffy eyes, and I don't think any of you guys want to see that in the morning. You can even put it as close to your nose, so like the nose, forehead, the jaws, the chin, you know, stuff like that. Just everywhere else except for the eyes. Please make sure to avoid the eyes, and hopefully that will save you guys some trouble. So after you apply the acne cream, the last step is to apply the AM moisturizer, and then after that, you're all good, you're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of Tiege Hanley, and if you did, please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed and you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.